The flavor. Like buttered corn on the cob in the summertime. Serious. It's really good, seriously. Yeah, this is good. Very surprised. I think if Sage was a human being, he'd love these chips, seriously. Okay, well, let's see here. Of course, I'm getting salt. I'm getting butter. Yeah, I'm getting that. Sweetness too, yeah. I could seriously eat this whole bag of chips. It's very good. Very good. I'm just gonna have two more, that's it. I'm getting sweet corn. I'm definitely getting sweet corn. Of course, saltiness. What chip doesn't have saltiness, you know? And like butter, but it's not overwhelming butter. It's just like just the right amount, I think. Seriously. They did a good job. They did a very good job toning down the flavor in this, at least the cheeseburger and the sweet corn. Good. Good. Man. So let's cleanse the palate. I love Coca-Cola. Way better than Pepsi. Pepsi sucks. It really does. I mean, Pepsi's bad. RC is good cola. Let's see here. Now, this is... I don't know about this one. Grilled hot dog. Whew. I'm a little scared about this one. But it's my patriotic duty to try this and to let you all know how Utz Grillin' Classics grilled hot dog potato chips really are. Alright? You guys ready? Alright. I'm gonna cleanse my palate a little bit more. I want to get the full grilled hot dog flavor, you know what I mean? Okay, I think that might do it. Definitely. Okay. Here we go. Bouquet. Let's see here. I don't think it's hot dog. Let me see. I don't think it's hot dog. Wait. Let's see here. This is a hard one. This is a very hard one to figure out. It almost smells like Groff's hot chips. Remember Groff's hot chips? Used to come in a silver bag, and it was hot as fuck, man. It was just hot chips. They were very, very good. So it must be like cayenne, I guess. Yeah, cayenne. A little bit of cayenne. I don't know. I'm gonna have to taste it because I can't make out the scent here. Let's see here. Let's try it out. There we go. Sage just showed up in time here, right, Sage? Here we go. You know what? Tastes like Knobles. It really does. Strange. I swear to God, I thought they were going to ruin it and put like a lot of ketchup flavoring on it, and I'm not really getting it. So I'm happy about that. Slight vinegar, some cayenne, tiny bit. It's not hot though. Can't be cayenne. Maybe it's not paprika. Definitely no paprika. Slight smokiness, some vinegar, saltiness of course. Oh wait. I'm just gonna try one more time just to make sure. I'm not lying to you, but if you concentrate hard enough in the background, you get, I'm not lying to you, ham. I swear to God, it's ham. Wait. Yeah. It's tasting more like hot dogs now. Pretty good. Maybe my least favorite out of all three, which was my guess it would have been. But I'll be honest with you, it surprised me. It really surprised me. Not bad. So it must be good. So very surprised. All three of these chips aren't bad. They're actually very good. And I'm surprised because I really don't like flavored chips, but it really, Utz did a good job for these summer classic chips. They really did. So, in order of preference, I would say number one, this is hard because the cheeseburger was really good and the sweet corn was good. I think I'm giving it the cheeseburger. No, wait. Sweet corn. Wait, let's do a tiebreaker here. I didn't even give a rating for sweet corn or the hot dog yet. First, we got the cheeseburger. Yep. Slight pickle. I love the complexity of the pickle in the background. Smoking it. I mean, it's hard. It's going to be hard to beat this. 6.3. Well, I'm going to give it more. I'm going to raise it. That's not fair. 6.3 is my original one. I have to compare the other ones to 6.3. I have to be fair. This is the winner at 6.3. I'll tell you what about the corn chips or the sweet corn ones. Wait, let me cleanse it real quick. On a bomb shaker scale of 1 to 10, sweet corn. Buttered corn, you can't beat that. 6.3, I would say. Grilled hot dogs, I would say maybe 6.0. Very good though, but not bad. And I'm very surprised. It was much better than I thought. Hope you enjoy.